Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Muhammad Fajar, NPM saya 17312106. Saya dari kelompok 9 dari mata kuliah Technopreneurship. Saya akan membahas tentang Lean Canvas. Eh, Introduction about Lean Canvas. Lean Canvas is a tool designed to help startup and entrepreneur in designing, managing, and validating their business model in a simple and structured way. Developed by Ash Murray, Lean Canvas is an adaptation of the business model Canvas that focus more on the needs of startup and product development. In the context of technopreneurship, where technological innovation and new business idea often require quick evaluation and continuous iteration, Lean Canvas provide an effective framework for achieving these goals. Element of Lean Canvas. 1. Problem. The description at this stage, entrepreneur must identify and define the main problem faced by customer. This involves a deep understanding of the specific challenge that the product or service aim to solve. The objective, outlining the real and urgent problem that require a solution to ensure that the product or service being developed is truly relevant to the market. 2. Customer segment. The description identifying the customer group that experience the identified problems. Segmentation is done based on characteristics such as demographics, behavior, and needs. The objective to customer segment to ensure that the product or service is focused on the right audience who are most likely to derive value from the solution offered. 3. Unique value proposition. Describing how the product or service offers a unique value that sets it apart from competitor. Include the key benefit customer gain and how the solution meets their needs. The objectives to identify and communicate the competitive and events that make the product or service appealing to customer. 4. Solution description. This includes the description of the proposed solution to address the identified problems. It explains how the product or service will effectively solve the customer issue. Objective, to provide a clear picture of how the offer solution meets the new and resolve the problem at the customer. 5. Channel. The description identify the distribution and communication channel that will be used to reach customer. This can include social media, website, physical distribution channel, and other method. Objective, to ensure that the product or service is accessibly and effectively communication to customer. 6. Revenue stream. Description explaining how to business will generate revenue. This include monetization model such as a product sales, subscription, advertising, and other revenue source. Objective, to establish a clear and sustainable revenue strategy to support business growth. 7. Cost structure. The description identifying the case costs that will be incurred to run the business. including fixed and variable expense such as production, marketing, distribution, and other. Objective to understand and manage the cost structure to ensure operational efficiency and profitability. 8. Key matrix. Description. Determining the key metrics to measure the success of the business. This can include the number of active user, conversation rates, customer retention, and more. The objective to monitor business performance and make data-driven adjustment to improve outcomes and efficiency. This is ini adalah contoh Lean Canvas analisis dari perusahaan Apple. Dan ini ada penerapan dari Lean Canvas. Penerapan Lean Canvas-nya adalah Lean Canvas memberikan kerangka kerja yang terstruktur untuk startup technopreneurs dalam merancang dan mengevaluasi model bisnis mereka. Dalam technopreneurship, di mana inovasi teknologi dan ide bisnis baru seringkali membutuhkan penyesuaian cepat dan validasi. Lean Canvas membantu dengan cara berikut. Validasi ide menggunakan Lean Canvas. Pengusaha dapat menguji memvalidasi ide bisnis mereka cepat, memastikan bahwa solusi yang dikembangkan benar-benar sesuai dengan kebutuhan pasar. Kedua, iterasi cepat. Lean Canvas memungkinkan tim untuk melakukan iterasi berkelanjutan pada model bisnis mereka, mengadaptasi strategi berdasarkan umpan balik pelanggan dan data pasar. 3. Fokus pada pelanggan. Dengan fokus pada masalah pelanggan dan proporsional nilai, Lean Canvas membantu memastikan bahwa produk atau layanan yang dikembangkan benar-benar relevan dan bermanfaat bagi target audiens. Jadi kesimpulannya, Lean Canvas adalah alat yang sangat berguna bagi startup dan technopreneurs dalam merancang, mengelola, dan mengevaluasi model bisnis mereka. Dengan pendekatan yang sederhana dan terstruktur, Lean Canvas memungkinkan pengusaha untuk mengidentifikasi dan mengatasi masalah pelanggan, menyusun solusi yang efektif, dan mengembangkan strategi bisnis yang berfokus pada pencapaian hasil yang optimal. Dalam konteks technopreneurship, Lean Canvas menyediakan kerangka kerja yang ideal untuk mengelola inovasi teknologi dan ide bisnis baru dengan cara yang terencana dan efisien. Berikut presentasi saya mengenai Lean Canvas dan terima kasih.